Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact folder and drive where the Excel file lives, because deleting the wrong file is irreversible. Once done, close Excel and any linked apps so the file isn't locked. This ensures deletion succeeds. Make a quick backup if you're uncertain. Copying to cloud or external drive takes seconds and preserves recovery options. Then open File Explorer, navigate to the folder, and locate the target workbook so you're ready for the removal step. You now select the file and verify the full name and XLSX or XLS extension so you're removing the right item. If you want a reversible action, press Delete to send the file to Recycle Bin. If you're certain, press Shift plus Delete to bypass the bin and remove it permanently. For many files, use Control plus click or Shift plus click to select a range, then apply the same key choices. Also, make sure you have permission to delete on network or shared folders. You finish by emptying the recycle bin if you want to reclaim disk space, but remember undo works only until that bin is cleared. If deletion fails, check whether Excel still holds the file, review folder permissions, or restart Windows Explorer to clear locks. These steps resolve most issues. For stubborn cases, use an elevated command prompt, del or remove item, to force deletion or sign in as an administrator, because elevated writes and safe mode can remove files regular sessions cannot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.